Welcome to my Abacus English tutorial channel. This is division on the Abacus short video. These are our questions which we are going to do on the Abacus. I'm not going to explain the rules or techniques in this episode. I'm just going to show you how to do division. Okay, if you want to learn that rule or technique detailedly, you have to watch my other episodes. Please check my playlist or description box. So let's start. This is my marked rod. Yes, this is my marked rod, and I'm going to put my dividend on the Abacus 7474. We are going to do this question. Okay, put your finger on the 7 divide by 2. Okay, 7 divided by 2, your answer is 3. Place your answer. 2 3s are 6. Reduce only 6 from the rod and take 4 here, and now 1 and 4 14 on the Abacus. So you have to take both 14. Okay, 1 and 4 number 14. 14 divided by 2 is 7. Place your answer. 2 7s are 1 4 14. So dividend is finished, and our answer is 3 7 37. This is our marked rod, and our answer end on the marked rod. Doesn't matter how long division you are doing, if you take place correctly and if you put your answer on the correct rod, your answer will always going to finish on the marked rod. To learn how to take place and to learn how to put your answer on the Abacus, you have to watch the basic rules of division episode, full episode. Please check my playlist. Okay, and here one more information. In this video or in this channel, you can learn Abacus in 4 different languages: Nepali, English, Hindi and Japanese, and one more silent Abacus tutorial also. Not only this, you can watch or you can practice flash arithmetic in my channel, like a flash addition and subtraction, flash multiplication and flash division. Please check the playlist or check the episode. Okay, so let's do another question. 84 divided by 6. Reset your Abacus. Put your dividend on the Abacus. Okay, take first digit 8. 8 divided by 6, your answer is 1. 6 1 is 6. You have to reduce only 6 from the rod and take another number, and now 2 4 24. 24 divided by 6 is 4. Okay, 6 4s are 24. Reduce that 24. Dividend is finished. Your answer is 1 4 14. Look, your answer is finished on the marked rod. Okay, please, to learn in detail, watch my full explain videos. Please comment me, share me, like me, and please do not comment on my English language because I am not very perfect on it. I can speak 4 languages, but I am not perfect on any languages. Okay, so please forgive me for that, and see you. Tata, bye bye. See you in next episode.